Well, good news for burger and steak lovers as beef prices, well, they've fallen to 5-year lows. Our own Jeff Flock checked out a cattle farm in Sandwich, Illinois to find out why beef is so cheap these days.
Lauren and Nicole, you are looking at one head of T-bones that is worth a whole lot less this year than it was this time 2 years ago. Take a look at the 5-year chart on feeder cattle from the CME, and you see the dramatic drop in price. We got to a high of $245 a hundredweight. That may not mean a whole lot to you, but if you look that these cows are now worth about $131 a hundredweight, that means they cost a whole lot less right now. Part of that is a result of the drought. Remember the big run-up in price during the drought? A lot of farmers started out by not being able to feed these cattle because they couldn't afford the high price of feed thanks to the drought. That meant that they sent them to slaughter instead. There was a glut in the market, prices went way down, but then because the herds were so small, the supply got tight and price got high. Well, now we've got corn at a 7-year low, and take a look. This is the corn that these folks are eating. A lot of corn in there, a lot of kernels of corn that perhaps you see. We are now at a 7-year low for corn. That means prices for feed are low, prices for beef are low, and what does that mean to you, perhaps an investor? You might want to take a look at those hamburger stocks. Folks like McDonald's and Wendy's and Sonic and the rest, they are spending a whole lot more, or a whole lot less, I should say, on inputs. If that doesn't get passed on to you, that means bigger profits. From a farm in Sandwich, Illinois, back to you guys.
Very good. Jeff Flock, very interesting. All three of those stocks had down arrows year to date. Thanks, Jeff.